In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit slide decks with NotebookLM. We'll start by opening NotebookLM in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you can either create a fresh notebook or open one you've already been working in. Use whichever makes sense for your project. A dedicated notebook helps keep your research, sources, and generated slides organized in one place. Inside your notebook, look for the option to add sources. This is where NotebookLM gets the material it will use to build your slide deck. You can upload files, paste copied text, point to websites, or connect content from your drive. Choose only what's relevant and trustworthy because the quality and focus of your sources will directly shape the clarity of your slides. With sources in place, type in a topic or prompt for what you want to research. Be as specific as you can. A clear description like the audience, the purpose, or the angle you care about helps NotebookLM emphasize the right details in the slides it produces. The more context you provide, the more on target the initial deck will be. Next, select the slide deck option. NotebookLM will analyze your sources and generate a structured presentation. Give it a moment to compile headings, key points, and supporting details. When the deck appears, open it to review the flow from title through conclusion and make sure the structure matches your intent. Now it's time to edit. Click into the generated deck to refine language, adjust headings, and condense or expand bullet points so each slide communicates a single memorable idea. Keep an eye on consistency, terminology, tense, and tone, and make sure the narrative builds logically from setup to takeaway. If a slide feels crowded, split complex ideas across multiple slides. If one feels thin, draw from your sources to strengthen it. Use brief, active sentences and avoid jargon unless your audience expects it. If something doesn't quite land, use the revise controls or change your sources to steer the deck in a better direction. Revisions are great for quick wording tweaks, while updating sources is ideal when you need new evidence, a different angle, or fresher data. After each change, apply the revision or update, then review the results and iterate until the structure, depth, and wording align with your goals. That's it. Open NotebookLM, add the right sources, describe what you need, generate a slide deck, edit for clarity, and refine through revisions or source updates. Follow this workflow and you'll turn raw material into a polished, presentation-ready deck in minutes.